Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The working principle of a torsional vibration damper is essential for protecting the structural integrity of a ship's main propulsion engine and its crankshaft. Every internal combustion engine generates torque in pulses rather than a smooth, continuous flow due to the periodic firing of each cylinder. These pulses create twisting forces along the length of the crankshaft known as torsional vibrations. If these vibrations reach a resonant frequency, they can cause catastrophic fatigue failure, leading to a broken crankshaft or damaged timing gears. The torsional vibration damper is installed at the free end of the crankshaft to absorb and dissipate this destructive energy before it can accumulate. The most common type found on large marine engines is the viscous damper, which consists of a heavy inertia ring enclosed within a sealed housing. The housing is bolted directly to the crankshaft and rotates at the same speed as the engine, while the inertia ring inside is free to rotate independently. Between the housing and the ring, there is a small clearance filled with a highly viscous silicone fluid. As the crankshaft experiences rapid fluctuations in speed during each rotation, the housing follows these movements precisely. However, the heavy inertia ring inside tends to resist these sudden changes in speed due to its mass. This creates a relative motion between the housing and the ring, which forces the silicone fluid to undergo a shearing action. This shearing process converts the kinetic energy of the vibration into heat, which is then dissipated through the outer surface of the damper housing. In some designs, such as the Geislinger damper, steel leaf springs and oil chambers are used instead of silicone fluid. In this mechanical version, the springs provide a restoring force while the oil flowing through small orifices provides the necessary damping effect. By shifting the resonant frequency of the shaft system away from the engine's operational speed range, the damper ensures that the internal stresses remain within safe limits. Maintenance of these units is critical and typically involves regular sampling of the silicone fluid to check for changes in viscosity or signs of thermal degradation. If the fluid loses its properties, the damper will no longer be able to protect the engine effectively. Engineers must also monitor the surface temperature of the damper during operation, as excessive heat can indicate that the unit is working overtime to compensate for poor combustion or a misfiring cylinder. Understanding the role of the torsional vibration damper allows maritime professionals to appreciate the delicate balance of forces required to keep a massive marine engine running smoothly across thousands of miles. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.